9 free online certification courses of digital marketing. The digital presence has become the most important factor for modern companies. Online marketing is growing, and so is the demand for skilled digital marketers. Online marketing has opened up a tremendous opportunity for entrepreneurs and job seekers. Digital marketing replaces traditional marketing practices and has become the next big thing on the internet. However, don't be fooled by the terminology, as this isn't rocket science. People with different educational backgrounds can have successful careers in digital marketing. Certain platforms offer certification courses for digital marketing enthusiasts, and you can start learning from these platforms. Google Digital Unlocked. Google is the most popular search engine in the world, and most consumers and businesses rely on this platform to do their business online. In order to promote the growth of digital marketing and raise people's awareness, this search engine service provider has launched its online learning platform, Google Digital. This platform is aimed at those ready to pursue a career in digital marketing and entrepreneurs planning to do their business online. Google Digital Unlocked offers more than 125 courses developed by renowned universities around the world. However, the main attraction of this platform is Google's 40-hour certification program. This program contains 26 modules, and each module addresses the critical aspects of digital marketing. After watching the video courses, students must pass a final test. After completing the test, the students receive a certificate from Google. In the world of digital marketing, skill plays the most important role. However, the certification program allows job seekers to upgrade their resume to get a high-paying job. The basics of a digital marketing program make students aware of the various technical aspects of digital marketing. Without a basic knowledge, it is very difficult for beginners to find the right tools and programs to perform the task. However, this course introduces students to various aspects of online marketing. Google Digital Unlocked also offers different types of courses to introduce students to new concepts in the world of internet marketing. If you want to start marketing online, this platform offers you the perfect solution for free. HubSpot Academy. HubSpot is very popular due to its highly functional digital marketing software. You can use this software to track your marketing campaigns. This platform also offers other software-based services to improve the performance of businesses of all sizes. HubSpot Academy. But HubSpot is also famous for its online academy that has grown millions of marketers. There are hundreds of courses online to help you learn more about online business and various other important aspects related to business. Many courses are designed for beginners. After completing the video tutorials, you must appear in an online test. The test consists of MCQ, and students are given 60 minutes to answer all questions. Students must score at least 50% to receive the certificate from HubSpot. Several courses are offered, but the most popular is the Inbound Marketing course. This course covers the basics of online marketing and the core issues that come with it. After completing the course module, the students will have a more in-depth knowledge of online marketing. However, students willing to learn more about online business can join other programs such as inbound sales, content marketing, e-commerce, CRM management, etc. Google Skillshop. The role of a digital marketer isn't just about serving ads on social media platforms. Professional digital marketers also need to consider the potential audience that is present in the web browser. To rate the website, you need to have an in-depth knowledge of keyword research and paid advertising on Google. An innovative online teaching platform was developed by Google known as the Google Skillshop. Here you can access different types of programs specially designed for beginners. 5 types of certification courses are available on this platform. Google Skillshop. These courses provide a basic understanding of different types of Google AdSense advertising programs. Different types of products and services require different advertising strategies. Without in-depth knowledge of the subject, students cannot come up with the right plan to get the right product known to the right audience. The average course duration in this program is approximately 4 hours. Course participants are allowed to complete the courses at their own pace. However, you will need to take a test once you have completed the course. If you pass the test, you will receive a certificate from Google Skillshop. edX. edX is one of the largest online education platforms founded in the USA in 2012. Since its inception, it has served the global student community with high-end university-level education. The core principle of this organization is to make education accessible to all, and they have started to focus on the process of developing students' skills. Failure to comply with the conventional education system and greater focus on the high demands of students have always been the priority of this e-education platform. Most of the courses are offered by a variety of top universities to provide easy access to top-quality education for the global student community. However, all courses available on this platform are not free. The digital marketing course can be inspiring for digital marketers. Students can get help from this free course as an overview of the marketing and demand of contemporary organizations. Two world-renowned universities, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and Harvard University supported the creation of this online learning platform, and the faculties of these universities started most of the courses. Students must register for the courses, and the online courses start at a scheduled time. It also means that students have to stick to a set schedule to complete the course. At the end of the course, students must also pass the final test to receive the certificate. This course is aimed at advanced students who already have basic knowledge of digital marketing. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a popular social networking site for professionals and business owners. However, the growing number of active members on this social media platform has also made it a marketing platform. LinkedIn has organic traffic, so it has become an attractive social media network. However, LinkedIn has also launched its learning platform called Learn LinkedIn. This online learning platform offers its courses on a monthly basis by subscription. The users have to pay a subscription to access various products on this social media platform. However, the first month is completely free for the new users. If you can complete the entire course within this testing period, you will receive the certificate without spending any money. There are more than 15,000 courses available to community members. Students can also take extensive courses to specialize in the marketing strategy of various social media platforms offered by renowned industry experts. If knowledge is your number one priority and you want to learn from industry experts, learning from LinkedIn should be on your list of priorities. Facebook Blueprint. Social media has gained tremendous popularity due to its growing user base, and this aspect of social media platforms has become an attractive playground for digital marketers as well. If you want to build a successful online business or have a sustainable career in digital marketing, you need to know the right strategy to market the target product or service on social media platforms. Facebook Draft is the online academy for marketers, and people of all backgrounds can learn about marketing on this platform. There are more than 150 courses, each with a specific group of students in mind. Both beginners and advanced learners will find useful courses to take. However, this platform designed the courses to give a detailed idea of the online marketing process, especially the omni-channel marketing approach that has become very popular. Various courses are designed to meet the needs of different types of online business, and the instructors have also provided detailed strategies to meet the needs of businesses of all shapes and sizes. The certification course offered by the Facebook Blueprint will give you in-depth knowledge of social media marketing. Google Analytics Academy. As a marketer, it's not always about running successful campaigns. Some campaigns may not produce the results you want. A good digital marketer must also have critical analysis skills, which will enable them to keep an eye on the analysis of their campaign's KPI and make decisions based on data. Before signing up for this certification course, you must be aware that this course is intended for people who already have a basic understanding of digital marketing. Google Analytics Academy not only provides knowledge of Google Analytics, but it also helps you improve your general analytical skills. Many courses are available for several social media channels, which you can also use to analyze the performance of your marketing campaigns on different platforms. After passing the final test, you will receive a certificate from the Google Analytics Academy. This advanced Google Analytics certification course will help you improve your marketing skills and take on a high-paying professional role. Alison. The main vision of this organization is to provide high-quality education to students for free. There are 9 different categories of education and more than 500 active courses are available from Alison. Faculties from well-known universities from all over the world have created their courses on this platform. Students can sign up for certification courses for beginners to advanced on this platform for free. To support the noble cause of this non-profit organization, students can also subscribe to the Premium Course Program, which gives students access to all of their graduate programs. eMarketing Institute. eMarketing Institute provides courses to the students plus the software also. Participants can study the course material and tutorial videos at their own pace. However, in order to receive the certificate, students must show up for an online test. This test consists of 50 MCQs and students must answer the questions in 60 minutes. Students must score at least 50% to receive the certificate. Conclusion. Internet marketing is the demand of business in the future, and if you adopt it early, your career will get a huge boost. The certification courses listed above will not only prepare you for the future market but will also keep you ahead of your competition. If you are looking to take your career to the next level, you can also consider a university degree in digital marketing.